VL Krosenevzova, the General Secretary of Mizo National Front's Media and Publicity Department on Thursday, issued a statement demanding the resignation of Manipur CM N. Biren Singh, accusing him of inaction and misuse of power. Krosenezova's statement highlighted that the Mizo National Front demands immediate and resolute action to the ongoing crisis in Manipur, which they allege is exacerbated by the catastrophic failure of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's government. The statement affirms that the suffering inflicted upon this Zophate brethren due to ethnic conflict has reached intolerable levels. The Mizo National Front commended the fearless representation of Mizoram Rajya Sabha MP K. Vanlavlena for raising this issue with courage in parliamentary debates, thereby amplifying the voice of the Zophate community and advocating for the justice. The party also commended the contributions of churches, voluntary groups and student unions in Mizoram in aiding and supporting IDPs from Manipur, which they affirmed embody the spirit of humanity and the unyielding bond of the Zofa community. Krosenezova's statement also mentioned that in a nation celebrated as the world's largest democracy, the continued erosion of human rights and attacks on religious sanctuaries betray the foundational values of justice and secularism, and that an elected government would stand idle amidst such suffering is an affront to democracy and a global embarrassment. It further stated, the plight of our fellow Zophate weighs heavily on our collective conscience. The MNF government under Chief Minister Zoramthanga had shown exemplary leadership in extending substantial assistance to the displaced. Refugees from Manipur, Myanmar and Bangladesh have been provided with food, shelter and education. Even now, MNF leaders and MLAs have travelled to Manipur, offering direct support to our affected kin. The statement continued, we call on all Zophate to unite and safeguard the lives and livelihoods of our people. This is a time for resilience, compassion and unwavering solidarity. We urge the people of Mizoram to continue their efforts both individually and through organizations to extend their support with renewed vigor. Furthermore, the MNF through their statement urges the Mizoram government to continue its support for the displaced and to fulfill their promises with integrity and patriotism. They also stated their full support for any initiative by the Mizoram government that prioritizes the welfare and well-being of Zophate across the region.